Wow! I love play ball. Yay!
Caillou. How dare you destroy my doorbell? That's it. I am calling your parents. Also, I'll buy a new doorbell tomorrow.
I can't believe a doorbell is broken. We are going to buy a doorbell tomorrow. No, HMMMMMMM. I am going to buy a crazy doorbell and make a prank. Hehehehe. You want a crazy doorbell, please?
Okay. Here's your crazy doorbell.
Thanks. Ha 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 ha. It's time to push a button.
Wait a minute. I hear the noise outside. I'm going to check it out. Ooh. How dare you make a prank? You're grounded. Go to your room right now.
Noot noot.